We're going to France. I'll see you later, Mum. Bye bye. Ta-da. Well, hey. Got Lewis coming. I don't know how to stop this thing. All I know is that we're recording by Chavy. We have arrived. The lads leaving. Fucking hell, look at that. Bring it on.
Right, we have arrived at the quay, and I'm in, it's called, do you know what, I forgot what the thing's called. Sanko Capu? Oh, I couldn't tell you. Anyway, I'm happy to be here, and yeah, really didn't get through the border because the NHS have fucked up my 2D scan code or whatever. But yeah, we're here, so I'm happy. I was going to cry if I couldn't make it, but yeah, show you a little tour, a little bivvy, and that over here. I'll do like these steps as well, check this out. You can get up here, look at this. Yeah, Mum, you would hate this, wouldn't you? But yeah, pucker, absolute pucker. Come up on this top one, it starts to get a bit scary. But look at that. Just want to dive bomb in here. Let's go. So yeah, we're here for a week, and yeah, I'm fishing, I don't know if you can see it, I can't really zoom in, but I'm literally in a gap between these bushes. And it's been producing, I've heard, so I'm going to continue that, and this is what we've got in the bucket. They're boilies that they supply you with, and maize as well. So yeah, it's going to be an interesting week. And I've also got 2 rods in this bay as well, which is, I mean, check out the low free spirits, eh? The mint now. We've got the Eslowats, got foxes as well. Go through my rigs a little bit later on with ya. But yeah, fishing out, we ain't fishing out far, 11 maps out just in front of this point over here. Fishing in front of a weed, well, past a weed bed that's, well, it's this time of year that the weed is dying. All I'm saying that you've got some Canadian down here. But yeah, we're fishing on a little silt and clay patch just past this dying weed bed, which hopefully can produce some fish later on this week, or hopefully tonight, who knows. But yeah, I'm just baiting up at the minute, so yeah. What I'll do is show you a few of my casts. Although saying that you probably can't see it. Oh, 2 seconds, let me just move this log. That'll go, Chavy. I was fucking pissed. Alright. Right, that I just have to do, unfortunately. Yeah. Let's get the spooning going. Hopefully I don't hit the camera. No one can cast as good as me. Gotta watch out for the braid. That gets tangled up too easily, in my opinion, if you're not careful. Do a couple more and then that'll be enough for a bite or 2. Who knows? Let's have it. So yeah, fishing with a little 3-ounce inline lead. Going with a long hair. I just seem to reckon that a long hair is better than a short hair on here.
It's a lovely evening at Le Quay. We've got the rods out, of course. Got the old bottle of
Sauvignon. Lovely. Been well looked after. Got the old bivvy out. Washing out some baits as well. We got it all going on. Right, so I've had 4 fish up to 4 ounces. And yeah, it's been pretty slow. Everyone's done all right except for Lou, unfortunately. One of my pals, he hasn't had anything. Got 2 nights to go, so hopefully he can bag himself a 40-pounder. Anything will do at this present of time. You know, you spend a lot of money to come out here, and sometimes you do blank. That's fishing. It's not called catching. As you can tell, I got a stinking cold. I come out here without one, and I don't know whether it's the alcohol. Probably is the alcohol, to be fair with you. But yeah, haven't been feeling 100%, which has probably affected my fishing a little bit. But that's how life goes, eh? But yeah, so thought I'd do a little blog. Probably going to start up my own little fishing channel soon. And it's my hobby, to be fair with you. So you know, used to play football, used to do this, that and the other, but you know, it ain't too bad when you get on the bank. I started doing back to workers as well. But yeah, started doing back to workers recently. Recently when I fucked it, you know, I've got people shouting across the fucking lake. Does my nutting. We got the old got some new S lights, got the old Delks out. We've just got one over. 13.5 wraps out onto a baited spot. Left hand 12.5. No, I've done it 13 because I'm spodding out 12.5 wraps. Right, Jeff, doing the old vlog, ain't I? No? Doing a little vlog, talking to myself. Yeah, got, what was I saying? I've got this left hand rod, 13 wraps out, but I'm spodding 12.5 wraps out. And basically what that does is, because we've got mono on, it comes back on the old clip. So you do 13 wraps out, you'll actually fish past your bait. Because I'm fishing 12.5 wraps out on the spom, when I fish 13 wraps out on the mono, I think I just confused myself there. Anyway, you do 13 wraps out on your mono, on your carp rod, and you do 12.5 wraps out on your spom. And then what that does is, they've done a little I think Calder done it, I don't know who done it, but they've done an underwater video. And you actually, when you fish 13 wraps out and you spom 13 wraps out, you'll find your fish off the spot. So you half that, you half your rod length, and then it allows for any pullback. When you hit the clip, obviously it goes ding, and then when you do the old drop, it'll come back, so you'll be fishing off your bait, which is not ideal. But what I was saying, that if you fish one off your spot and one on your spot, that tends to do well. It's all preference really. If the fish are up for it, they'll eat fucking anything. But it's been slow. It's been really slow recently. The fish have been there. The fish are predominantly been in the open water. Probably around about 18 wraps out. Although I don't want to upset people fishing too far. So yeah, we're just chilling. I'll give you a little update if we have anything. Got all 3 rods out on maize. Obviously the pandemic hit, no one fished this place. So on Lequy you have 3 lakes: the Bay Lake, the Old Lake and the Long Lake. Oh, sorry, and you got 4 lakes and the Elf Lake as well. So yeah, we got here and we fancied the old. We all come in the draw, so it's all potluck really. But yeah, saying that, I got a little bit of fizzing down just by this weed here. Just see a little bit of movement there. But yeah, we've done well. We've done well. I can't complain. Just need Lewis to have one now and we're sorted. But yeah, got all 3 on maize because when the pandemic did hit, you know, boilies were inaccessible. You couldn't get them over the border, and yeah, they fed them maize. So I'm thinking the fish are used to that. Obviously they're going to be used to the boilie as well, but I think they don't even question the maize, if you know what I mean. They just go for it. So yeah, we're going to try that tonight. I didn't have nothing last night. I had the night before I had 2, which is quite good, and now we're on snowmen. Now I do like the old snowmen, but it does make me wonder whether they shy off the colour, or you know, I just want bites. I don't want big fish, although it would be lovely. You would just want to know your spot's working. Yeah, I'll have a look at this. Don't think you can see it, but the old ripples in the water. See that? That might be a carp. Hopefully going to my left hand rod in that corner. But yeah, it's a lovely evening, as you can see, and we got a bottle of wine, got a bit of smoke as well, so I'm happy. And yeah, over and out. Hopefully we'll have one. See, I would love to know how to turn this GoPro off properly, but just press any old button, don't we?